Meet our friend Jones. He's trying to send a message to his friend, but he's not sure what to write. Should he say in Monday or on Monday? At the park or on the park? Don't worry, Jones. We're here to help you choose the right words. In this lesson, you will learn the difference between preposition of time and place, identify them in sentences, and use them correctly. Are you familiar with words like when and where? We use when to talk about time. That means what time, what day, or what part of the day. And we use where to talk about place. That means the place where something happened. So today, we're going to learn how to use these words with preposition. We have here preposition of time and place. In time, we use in for months and years, on for days, and at for exact time. For places, in means inside, on is on top, and at for a specific spot. Now you know how to use each type of preposition. Let's try this. First question, where is the painting? Inside, on top, or at the place? Great job! On is for surfaces. The painting is on the wall. Next, what do we use for exact time? That's right, at for exact time. I wake up at 7 a.m. Last one, what preposition should we use? Yes, we use in for parts of the day. I eat breakfast in the morning. Yay, you did it! Now you know how to use in, on, and at for time and place. Keep having fun with English and don't forget to practice. See you next time. Bye-bye, friend!